palu, ham, rakap, panhalata, pausu, sat, kupatabala, uh, teman, atapatal, panhalata, atapatal, nama, nama, ay, ay, nah, parut, atapatal, palu, pat, pat, ututu, parut, ututu, palu, 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 panhalata, ututu, pan, ututu, pan, ay, atapatal, ay, palu, para rata, ano, palu, para, ama, ama, rata, ano, tome, palu, ala, batas, ano, ta, sa, dapat, sa, punhol, punhol, sa, ano, tome, ate, ama, patas, patas, ate, patas, ano, alto, tal, sap, alto, ate,
Hello everyone. I'm Rejaul Karim Siddiqui. I'm from Bangladesh. The man who is talking is my younger brother. I myself is a person with physical disabilities, and as you already know, my brother is also a person with multiple disabilities. I mean, he is a deaf person, and also he has schizophrenia, and he is a person with psychosocial disabilities. He was telling about his challenges he is facing in Bangladesh. Is suffering from lots of challenges. First of all, he is being forced to get injections for his mental health conditions while he don't want to take injections. He went to India for his treatment, and he said Indian doctors did not give him injection. They gave him some small minor medicines and instructed us to how to behave with him so he can combat with the challenges, and he gets well. We were trying, but unfortunately in Bangladesh the medicines just as gave us, we cannot follow in Bangladesh context for many reasons. So this is one thing. And he also highlighted about the violence. He was severely beaten several times in Bangladesh, unnecessarily people beat him. So this is another challenge. This is restricting his movement, his public life, and many things. What actually persons with psychosocial disabilities need in this situation to remain included in the family? You already get an understanding that if this continues, the situation is facing is continued, he, the situation will ultimately lead him to be institutionalized to some extent. Like if with the family members are not able to support him enough, if the public spaces remain unsafe for him, then ultimately to some extent this would leave him to a very unwanted and uncomfortable situation in future. So we are worried about this. At this stage, I would like to flag what we need, what we the people with psychosocial disabilities need in Bangladesh to remain included in the community. Firstly, persons with psychosocial disabilities need a safe environment, safe atmosphere, safe space. This is a must. And the violence against persons with psychosocial disabilities should be reduced to the minimum at once. And medical system, the health system, the rehabilitation health system should be improved so that persons with psychosocial disabilities are not injected or medicated against their will. We must have some alternative resource like if we have had trained rehabilitation, skilled rehabilitation, health professionals, counselors, or therapists, psychosocial therapists, he would get a good environment. He would be comfortable with the medication system, right? So these are the crying need in Bangladesh, and also the medical system need to be upgraded where the medical staff members, doctors, and every entire system is able to communicate with a deaf person. My brother is uh, is being deprived of counseling and therapy services just because these people, this workforce don't have that skill how to communicate with a deaf person. So this is the thing where we need to improve at once. Otherwise, like my brother, thousands persons with psychosocial disabilities will live in insecurity. They will live without dignity and oath, and ultimately the institutionalization will continue to be will continue. Our institution will continue. Well, while we are desperately trying to to stop the institutionalizations at once. We are trying, but this would stop because the demand side will continue to ask the rehabilitation in the institutions as the environment is not safe, as the support system is not strong in the community, and uh, entire situation is against the people with psychosocial disability. So what we need again, I would say, the people, our people, ordinary people should be educated about the rights, dignity, and oath of a person with psychosocial disabilities. They should be educated to um, to respect people with psychosocial disabilities, and we all should create an environment, a safe environment for persons with psychosocial disabilities. And the government should support, strengthen social protection support system so that entire community remain aware of the things, and persons with psychosocial disabilities feel supported and respected. So this is what I and my brother wanted to tell you, and very best wishes for all persons with psychosocial disabilities across the world, and very best wishes for the What We Need campaign, and many thanks to the TCI for launching this campaign, running this campaign across the world. It has created a great momentum across the world, regions, even in the national level. So I want to thank TCI again. Thank you all.